This month, we're working with a sigil designed to call in vibrant health, steady strength, and the kind of energy that carries you through your days with ease. Hello, my darlings, and welcome. This month's intention is I am strong, healthy, and full of energy. Let's do some magical crafting. I magically craft the intention into a sigil. Then I turn the sigil into a small piece of artwork and create a monthly satin drawstring bag for my Sigil spell bag patrons. Creating a sigil is a focused meditative act. You begin with a clear intention, a single true statement of what you want to call in, and you pour your energy and will into building the symbol. As the sigil takes shape, you can repeat the intention like a mantra, entering a quiet, focused state where your conscious mind steps back and something deeper takes over. That is where the magic lives. A sigil works because symbols speak directly to your subconscious in a way that words simply cannot. Here are 3 of my favorite ways to work with this month's sigil. Write the sigil on a small piece of paper and place it beneath a glass of water overnight. In the morning, hold the glass, speak the intention over it, and drink it mindfully. Water carries intention beautifully, and starting your day with charged water is a gentle and grounding practice. Before any kind of movement, whether that's a walk, a workout, yoga, or even stretching, trace the sigil in the air or on your mat as a way of opening the practice. Set the intention that every movement you make is strengthening you, filling you with vitality. Or you can place a written copy inside a spell bag filled with carnelian, rosemary, and ginger roots, stones and herbs that support physical strength, vitality, and vibrant health. This sigil is yours to use freely in any magical working you do related to health, strength, and energy. And if you'd like to receive the sigil spell bag in the mail, tucked inside a handwritten card from me, the link to join is in the description below. New bags go out every month to my Sigil spell bag patrons, and I hope to see you there. May your body feel strong and well and fully supported. May your energy be steady and replenishing, and may you move through your days feeling capable and alive.